Okay, I'm back. This is Friday Forex. The more you learn, the more you earn. Okay, today I have something special for you. Okay, without going far, today we are going to learn how to read candlesticks, chart pattern. So it is possible that you normally know candlestick, but you don't know how to read them. So now is what I'm going to help you to understand. So this is a candlestick. Any market can goes down for the reason, any market can goes up for the reason. So now we are going to see why the market goes up, and we are going to see the reason why the market goes down. So what the kind of candlestick can make say market goes down, or what the kind of the candlestick that can make the market to goes up. So now that's what we are going to see in this lesson. Okay, this is a bullish candlestick. It's normal in the it's normally green color. It is present the buyers in the market. So it's open here and it crosses here. So this part it's called lower shadow. This part called upper shadow. This is lower shadow. This is upper shadow. Okay, this part it's called body. So this is another candlestick. As you can see, it's a red. It's present the sellers. I also it's here. It's present the sellers, and this is a part. It's called upper shadow, and then this is another part. It's called lower shadow. Okay, from here up to here, from cross to open, this part it's called body. Yes. Okay, without going far, let us carry on. Yeah, it's like this. We have seen this. I've seen this. As you have seen, this candlestick is called bullish candlestick. It's open in this and it crosses there. This part, as you have seen, this upper shadow, this lower shadow. This is also the red one. We have seen that it's called bearish candlestick, and it presents sellers in the market. Even this one presents the buyers in the market. So let us continue. Okay, let us just start from this evening star doji. When you see three candlestick on uptrend, it presents that the seller, they are going to take price down. Yes, you see the reason why the market can falls down. Any market falls down because of some reason. So you see, when you see this kind of evening star doji, two big candlesticks plus small candlestick in the middle, you have to expect to sell, not buying. Okay, let us see another candlestick chart pattern. Okay, this one is evening star doji. You see, when you see the kind of this three candlestick, this one, you see this three candlestick. Let me try to make you understand this. You see this three candlestick, let me try to make it clear so that you can understand. This three candlestick, when you see this on down a trend, you have to expect how you can buy. Yes, you see the reason why the market can move up or yes moves down according to the candlestick. So let us just continue. Okay, you see this one? Yeah, you see this one? This one you call it shooting star doji. The moment you have seen this on uptrend, you have to expect to sell. You see this one, you have to expect to sell, not to buy, because when you buy you can get problem. Yes, you see this, only this candlestick it took price down, you see. Okay, let us continue. Let us just continue. This morning star doji, or we can call it doji morning star. So the moment you have seen three candles big which contained big candlestick like this plus this smaller candlestick on downward trend, it normally appears on downward trend. So you have to expect how you can buy. You have to think that the market is going up. You see, forex trading is very simple. First of all, you have to understand these kind of triggers, because before you press any order in the market, so you have to understand where the market is going. So what am I going to do? Am I going to buy or am I going to sell? So that is a question you have to ask by yourself, and then you have to understand the kind of these signals. Okay, let us continue. Okay, this is a bearish engulfing. Bearish engulfing, you can see it has small candlestick plus long candlestick. The moment you have seen this on uptrend, so you have to expect selling. You see the reason why the market falls down. In market falls down because of reason. Don't enter in the market like a blind person. So you have to understand the candlestick. I know there are many people who don't know this. That is why I want to help people understand the candlestick, why the market falls down, why the market. Yes. Okay, you see this one, you call it bullish engulfing. Okay, bullish engulfing. The moment you have seen bullish engulfing on downward trend like this, small candlestick plus bigger candlestick, you have to expect to buy, not to sell. You see the reason why the market goes up. Any market goes up for a reason. Don't be blind. Okay, let us see hanging man. Hanging man is this. When you see this candlestick on an uptrend, you have to do this exercise on your chart so that you can understand why the market can force down. Okay, the moment you have seen this candlestick, you have to expect selling, not buying. Okay, let us continue. This candlestick is called hammer. The moment you have seen it on downward trend, you have to expect buying, not selling. Okay, I think that you have understood what I'm talking about. this hammer, the moment it appears on down a trend, you have to expect to sell, no, to buy, not to sell. Okay, this is a hanging man candlestick. The moment you see the kind of this candlestick on uptrend, you have to expect selling. The moment you have seen hammer on down a trend, you have to expect to buy. We have seen this we have said that this candlestick is called a shooting star. The moment you have seen this on uptrend, you have to expect selling. Okay, this candlestick is called tweezers bottom. The moment you have seen this kind of candlestick on down a trend, you have to expect buying. This is the market structures. Yeah, you can see. Okay, yeah, you can see. So last time we studied about how to use support and resistance, because this one is called support and resistance. So now we have seen this candlestick is bearish engulfing. The moment you see it's on resistance level, so you have to sell. The moment you have seen Morningstar doji on down a trend, you have to expect to buy, not to sell. You see? So let us just see the chart is clear. Now you can understand why the market goes down and why the market goes up. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can continue following us on our YouTube channel. Okay, let me say bye, but I'll be back next time.